Hello everyone, welcome to Comfy Eating. Today, I'm excited to share a Korean recipe that's Danmuji, which is pickled radish. I actually learned to make this because of all the Kdramas I watched. And the best part is that all the ingredients you will need for this recipe are likely already in the kitchen. So let's see how to make it. For this, first we will take a radish, cut both the sides, peel it and slice it into nice round shapes. Once you are done with that, we'll transfer these radish slices into a clean jar or a nice airtight container. Next, we will prepare the pickling liquid. In a vessel, add 1 cup of rice vinegar. Now, if you don't have rice vinegar, you can also use the normal vinegar. Then add 1.5 cups of water, half cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. The turmeric is what gives our pickle that beautiful bright yellow color. Bring this mixture to a boil, ensuring that the sugar and salt are completely dissolved. Now once it's boiled, switch off the flame. Our pickling liquid is ready. Now we will carefully pour it over the radish slices in your jar. Make sure the radish is fully submerged and seal the jar with an airtight lid. Now once cooled, refrigerate it for 24 hours. After 24 hours, our pickled radish is ready to enjoy. I hope you give this recipe a try. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.